so it's going to be trying to take a little bit more. That won't happen with the saw. You know, really crappy metal. It's just kind of scrape it out of there like this. I'm not going to let you do it. Okay, let me see how it's a little rounded. Yep. I'm just going to bang it a little bit more. I'm doing this because I'm basically that's a lot better. Good. Okay. So now this side. Yeah. And then use the hammer more with your wrist. Now you got more left. Yes, that's beautiful. Take a wrap, center. Okay, and then Spider-Man will jump in this. How we doing? Make sure we don't have any burrs here. Ooh. That's a little bit more. Yep. Nice. Just center that saw on the vise there. Yep, that's it. Or 50s.
It looks like it's still pretty.
Oh, it's in great shape. Yeah. Here. Yeah.
Jeez. Okay. One day it takes you hours and hours.